Today in this video we are gonna help you out and show you how to fix a MacBook that is not charging. We are gonna try a few things here. Method 1. Before you do this procedure, you want to make sure your MacBook is plugged in and it also is shut down. Press and hold the shift, control, option and power button all down at the same time for 10 seconds. After that, you just want to release those buttons and then you want to try turning on the power to your MacBook if this corrects the problem. Method 2. Press the power button, then press and hold the command option and the P plus the R key. Hold them all to get it down together until the MacBook restarts. Once the MacBook restarts, you can release them. When the MacBook is back up, check to see if your battery is now charging. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.